Big Boys neighborhood. Justin Bieber just got MVP.
Yeah, well, I mean, you know, I guess the fans voted, so they voted for who the MVP was. So you gotta, you know, it's the fans vote. But our team won. I definitely feel somebody on our team should have got MVP. We won.
Right.
But you know, it's Justin Bieber, so they got to give it to him.
So what's up with some new movies and music from you, man?
I got a new album coming out. Incredible. It's called The Dreamer, The Believer. We're coming with it soon, bro, so look out for it. No ID producing this. It's pure hip-hop. The hip-hop we've been wanting. I'm delivering. I'm coming, y'all. Yo, what up, y'all? This is Common. Shout out to my guy, Big Boy in the neighborhood. Big Boy in the neighborhood. You know how we do. Power 106. Love.